Hi there, we're going to go over the back flushing procedures for an espresso machine. My name is Peter and I'm with Cafe Umbria, and this is a very important part in cleaning your machine, either on a day-to-day or a week-to-week basis. In every espresso machine, what happens is the pump pushes hot water through the coffee and it gets expressed out here. And what happens when the pump shuts off is that a suction happens. So a little bit of the coffee makes its way up into the group head, and this is the group head area. And so we need to be able to get some detergent using our blind or our solid baskets. And this is what we do every 5 pounds. We recommend, and in most cafes every day, we recommend putting a little teaspoon of espresso cleaner, and there's a whole variety. We use the Ernix full circle. And so I'm going to walk over that today with you. So you get your regular portafilter, get your blind, and you just use this use a flathead as leverage to bounce this basket out. And it comes quite easily. So you just turn and it opens up like that. And then you see it's a good time to check your portafilter, make sure it's clean, and then just pop that in. Then we're going to get some cleaner, and I kind of just eyeball it so that I've got about a teaspoon in there. Oops, okay, that's plenty. Thing's not quite right there, okay. And then I turn it on, put it in, just as I would normally pull a shot. And a lot of people here get confused is you can push any button you want. All you want to do is trigger water through the group head. And a lot of people turn it on like this, and they'll keep it running and walk away for 5 minutes. And the whole point of the cleaning is to ignite the pump, activate the pump, and to stop it. And right there, when I stopped it, the reverse suction happened. All the pressure going through stopped, and it started sucking whatever their coffee or cleaner, in this case, up the pipes. And once I have espresso cleaner going up the pipes, I'm cleaning that pipe as it interacts. So that's the key thing, and it's like brushing your teeth. It's important for the health of the machine. If you don't do this, you're going to actually damage different components up in the machine as it gets too greasy and oily from the coffee oils. So this is good for the longevity of the machine, and more importantly, good for the taste of the coffee, because all the water coming through your pipes are going to be in contact with clean pipes now. And what we want to do here is we want to activate it for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn it on. And then what you'll see here is the release valve will let go of all the suds. And that means that I'm cleaning it right now. You see all those suds. That's a good thing. You turn it back on and do it for 5 seconds. In this case, we have a handy little dial there. And then stop it. You can push any button to start and push any button to stop. On some machines, I might say there's an auto cleaning button. So get to know your machine. So there's a feature that you can do that'll clean itself on its own, and you can walk away completely. But if you don't have that, do this manually. And what we're asking for is to do it 10 times 5 seconds. So it takes a minute altogether. And then once you've done it for 10 times 5 seconds, I normally give it a little rinse. Get rid of the suds. And I'll do it again, just to give it a little rinse out. So I have all that detergent back in the pipes now, and I want to clean it. And now it's getting rid of the suds. And then on the rinse cycle, on automatic rinse cycles, there will be 10 cycles as well, but I think 5 will do it just to rinse it out. So I hope this is helpful for you in keeping your machine clean. Once again, we would do this every 5 pounds, and in some cafes it would be twice a day, once a day. In a restaurant, it might be once a week or every other week. If your restaurant doesn't use 5 pounds in a week, I would still consider doing this at least once a week, just to keep that clean so the coffee doesn't sit in there too long. The next thing I'd like to do is, after I'm done rinsing, I'm going to put this back I'm going to put my basket back and I'm going to season the shot. Season the machine, rather. So I'll take my regular, make sure you put the right proper basket for a double spout in. Then I'm going to pull a shot just to get rid of any soap taste in the machine. The soap is food grade, so you're fine. And then I'm going to pull a shot, and I would dump this shot. Shot looks good, I'll still dump it. So thanks for joining us, and lastly, we recommend that you assign this task of back flushing to this same time or same person every day or every week, so that way it's done systematically and no one forgets. Thank you.